Hi guys, this is my face after the whole night not sleeping. I did not sleep the whole night because many flight thing. And now I have reached the hotel. I have to get all this makeup out and then I'll get ready and go to my friend's house. Come with me. उससे पहले एक room tour. So this is the entrance. Entrance के left में, yes. This area where you can. There's a locker, some drawers, काफी spacious. Shoes. That's a mirror. That's me. And this area here for keeping your stuff, bags. And this is the washroom. And that's me again. This is the shower area. Let me show you. And this is the tea coffee section. And that's my mess, don't mind. And this is this corner, cute study corner. You can do your study, any paperwork, or just this is some chilling area. You can sit here, eat, watch TV. And yeah, 2 beds with a cozy cute lamp. I like it. Let's see the view. Yes, this is the view from my room. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm too lazy to get ready. I have to go. I haven't slept whole night. Yeah, this is the whole room. Yep, hope you liked it.